welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how can you achieve this summery kind of look. And I hope as in the summer it is quite hot and you need some colors to fill up your life. So I just got the colorful eyeliner idea. As you can see, I have used all the summery colors and I had kept my lips a little bit subtle, and you can see it's completely a fresh clean look. You can do this look for your brunch party or anywhere you can think you can carry this look. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, just keep watching. So now I am using eyeshadow in the color neon green and taking a pigment brush and creating a small strokes of line and small strokes till the mid of my eyelid. I'm just making color to pop up enough so it can be visible. Now I'm taking the another aqua blue color eyeliner and I am just proceeding the liner. Now I'm taking the green color liner and completing the eyeliner look. Make sure you just mix the starting and ending of the liners of different colors so that it give you a completely clean look. Now for the last shade I'm using the two colors, pink and purple, fuchsia pink, and I am just blending it in the outer corner, giving it a wing look. As you can see, the look is almost complete. I'm just finishing it up and giving the last touch up. I'm just filling my brows. Now for the lips I am using orange one from the shade from the brand Maybelline in the gradient lip crayon, and I am settling this color with the nude shade Mysterious Mocha from the Colourpop Maybelline lipsticks. So it will give me a orange nude kind of a shade. So I have a completely summer look, as you can see. And the last thing that I want is mascara, just to curl my lashes and give it a complete look. So now I am using eyeshadow in the color neon green